Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11 in a very simple way. For that, what you need to do, you just simply go to your Microsoft Store, and from here you just need to search for, simply come over into the search option and going to search for translucent TB. After finding this, you will get an option called translucent TB. If you click on that, you can see in my options it's showing open, but in your computer if it's not downloaded, then you just simply click on get and it will be downloaded automatically. So after that, you can see after completing the download, you just need to click on open, and then there will be a notification over here that it's already running into your background. So I will going to come over here and going to click on this translucent TV. So now from here, what you need to do, if you just come over into desktop and then if you just click on clear, you can see if I just click on normal, you can see that the taskbar is showing like this. But if you just go over here and going to click on desktop and click on clear, you can see your taskbar is completely transparent over here. But if you want to just click on this TV, go for desktop and click on opacity, it will something looks like this. It looks like a black, but it looks like this kind of interface over here. If you just click on that and click on desktop and go for acrylic, it will looks like this, a little bit transparent but not the proper. It's like it's blurring, something like this. So you can do this as well, but what we want to do is we're going to transparent it. For that, we will just click on clear, and you can see it's completely transparent into our Windows 11. So this is how we can transparent taskbar in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.